Hi viewers, you all are welcome to my another session. In my previous session, I have already discussed about the dot product, scalar product of two vectors, and in that section I have defined the angle between two vectors, cosine of angle between two vectors, and the properties of dot product, the geometrical meaning of dot product, along with the projection of dot product, how we can define dot product with the help of a projection, and how can we find the projections, scalar projection and vector projection. Today in this session I will solve some important problems which will help you not only in your board exams but also the super tricks what I will give you in this session will help you to appear the important questions in the JEE and NDA on all type of competitive exams. The first question is, find the angle between the vectors a vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and b vector is equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. These are the two given vectors and we have to find the angle between these two vectors. The angle between two vectors can be obtained with the help of scalar product or dot product. How? Look at here. Here given a vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, b vector is equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Now magnitude of a vector is, as you know, to find the magnitude of a vector is root over of x square plus y square plus z square, and this is magnitude of a is 9, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, and is here square of minus 1 is plus 1, and this is 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 is root 14. Magnitude of a b vector is root over of, here is minus 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 1 is again root 14. So we find the magnitude of two vectors. Now to find a dot b, a vector is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, dot product with minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and this is a dot b is a1 a2 a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 2 into minus 3 is again minus 6, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. This is minus 13. So we know that the angle between two vectors, the angle between a vector and b vector is theta is equal to cos inverse a dot b by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Angle between two vectors is cos inverse dot product of two vectors by product of their magnitude, and this is cos inverse a dot b is minus 13 by magnitude of a is root 14, magnitude of b is root 14, this is root 14 into root 14, which is equal to cos inverse minus 13 by 14. So this is the angle between two vectors a and b, where a and b are given. So not only these two vectors, if you have given any two vectors, you also can find the angle between these two vectors by using this process. Another question here, find the angle between two vectors a and b. In the previous question also we find the angle between two vectors. अब जो क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व किए थे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वहाँ भी हम एंगल निकाल रहे थे टू वेक्टर्स के बीच में, एंड हियर इज ऑल्सो टू फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स, बट द डिफरेंस इज इन दैट क्वेश्चन द टू वेक्टर्स वे आर गिवन, टू वेक्टर्स दिया गया था, बट हियर टू वेक्टर्स नहीं दिया गया है. क्या दिया गया है? लुक एट हियर, find the angle between two vectors a and b where magnitudes of a and b are given. Magnitude of a is 1, magnitude of b is 2 respectively, and और क्या दिया गया है कि the dot product of two vectors is given 1. In previous exam two vectors दिया गया था and we in that case we calculated magnitude of a, magnitude of b and the value of a dot b, but here is given, so another simpler form. Now to find, so the angle between a vector and b vector is, as you know, the formula is cos inverse A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B, and this is cos inverse. A dot B is given 1 by magnitude of A is 1 and this is 2, which is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2, and you know cos inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 3. So very simple question and also important one. Another important question is two vectors are given, A vector and B vector. To show A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular to each other. A vector is given, B vector is given. हमको प्रूव करना है कि A plus B is perpendicular to A minus B. A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular to each other. Now look at here. A vector is given, B vector is given. To show A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular to each other. So A vector is given, B vector is given. First find A plus B and A minus B. A plus B, A vector plus B vector. As you know the addition of vectors, 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. This is A plus B vector. A minus B is A vector minus B vector. 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 1 here is minus 3 is minus 4, minus 3 minus plus हो गया, minus 3 plus 5 is 2k. So this is A plus B, this is A minus B vector. But our aim is to show these two vectors are perpendicular. But condition of perpendicularity is two vectors will be perpendicular if their dot product is 0. In order to show the two vectors are perpendicular, it is sufficient to show the dot product of the two vectors is 0. अगर two vectors perpendicular शो करना है तो हमको शो करना पड़ेगा कि ये two vectors का dot product 0 है. So here is A plus B, here is A minus B. The question is to show A plus B is perpendicular to A minus B. That means the dot product of the two vectors A plus B dot product with A minus B is 0. Now A plus B dot A minus B is, this is A plus B vector and this is A minus B vector. The dot product of the two vectors is A, as you know, the dot product of two vectors is A1 B1 plus A2 B2, x component to x component plus, you have already learnt in the lecture 3. So 6 into 4 is 24, here is plus 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, and here is minus 8 into plus 2 is minus 16, and it is 0. As the dot product of two vectors is 0, so the two vectors are perpendicular. So therefore we find here A plus B vector is perpendicular to A minus B vector. In this way you can show A plus B is perpendicular to A minus B. Another tricky question by the application of a dot product. This is actually the application of dot product. Applying dot product, how can you find the value of x here? Look at here. Find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. x का value कितना है हमको बताना है. For which the two vectors A vector is given, B vector is given. A vector is xi cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap and B vector is minus xi cap plus xj cap plus 2k cap. The two vectors are perpendicular. In the previous example, what happened? Two vectors were given. We have to show that A plus B is perpendicular to A minus B. वो एग्जाम्पल हमको शो करना पड़ा कि the two vectors A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular. In order to show perpendicular, it is sufficient to show the dot product is 0. But here what happens? The two vectors are given perpendicular. In the previous example, two vectors are given and the question is to show that the two vectors are perpendicular. But here given two vectors are perpendicular and we have to find the value of the unknown x. How? A vector is given, B vector is given, and also given the two vectors are perpendicular. If two vectors are perpendicular, then the dot product is 0. अगर two vectors are perpendicular हो जाएंगे तो उसका dot product 0 हो जाएगा. So as A vector is perpendicular to B vector given, then their dot product means A dot B is 0. A vector dot B vector is 0. Now find the dot product. As you know, x component with x component, a1 b1 plus a2 b2. I have already discussed details in the dot product of two vectors. So the dot product of these two vectors is x into minus x is minus x square, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, and here is 5 into is 10 is equal to 0, and simply multiply minus 1 on both sides. You get x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0, and is a simple quadratic equation. You have solved many quadratic equations in high school, in 10th, 9th also. So you can easily solve this, and if you solve this, you will find here x is equal to, you will find two values of x, and the two values are x is equal to 2 or minus 5. So you can easily find these two values. So look at here, in the previous example, two vectors were given, two vectors दिया गया था, and you have to show the two vectors are, the sum and difference are perpendicular. That means previous question में क्या हुआ कि तुमको शो करना पड़ा कि two vectors are perpendicular, but here two vectors perpendicular दिया गया है, two vectors are perpendicular given, and to find the value of x or any unknown present in that vector. Now is another question, which is the application of a projection of vectors, projection of one vector on another vector. In case of a projection, we can find the projection of one vector on another vector. But here the question is to find projection, and I have already said there are two types of projection, scalar projection, vector projection. And मैं पहले से बता देता हूँ, if it is not mentioned either scalar or vector, here is given to find scalar and vector projection. Suppose there is no scalar, there is no vector. Suppose there these two terms are absent in the question. The question is to find only find the projection. If the question is to find only projection, then you have to find the scalar projection. Projection means simply scalar projection. But if it is given to find scalar and vector projection, then first find scalar projection, then find vector projection. और एक बार बता देता हूँ कि क्वेश्चन में अगर दिया गया है स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन एंड वेक्टर प्रोजेक्शन निकालो, तो तुमको टू प्रोजेक्शंस निकालना है, स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन एंड वेक्टर प्रोजेक्शन. अगर कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया गया है कि सिंपली क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है फाइंड द प्रोजेक्शन, देन फाइंड ओनली स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन, बिकॉज प्रोजेक्शन मीन्स स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन. So here what happened कि to find two types of projection, scalar projection and vector projection, but we can find the projection of one vector on another vector. But here is find the scalar and vector projection of the vector these 2 I cap minus 3j cap minus 6k cap on the line joining 2 points. 2 points are given. So look at here. Suppose this vector is a vector. The solution is let a vector is the given vector 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 6k cap. We have to find the projection of this vector on, there is a line joining these 2 points. Suppose these 2 points are a and b. This is a point, this is b point. Now if we join ab, then this is a vector. Suppose that vector is b vector. Now b vector is AB vector, and you know how to find AB vector. AB vector means the end point of the position vector for end point minus the position vector for starting point. That means this is 5 6 minus 3 minus 3 4 minus 2, and this is 5 minus 3 is 2 I cap, 6 minus 4 is 2 j cap, minus 3 minus minus 2, that means plus 2 is minus k cap. This is b vector. So this is a vector and this is b vector. We have to find the projection of a vector on the line joining these 2 points. Line joining these 2 points means this is b vector. So now the question is to find the projection of this a vector on b vector, and the projection of a vector on b vector is the This value suppose is PQ. And there are two types of projection, scalar projection and vector projection. How can we find these two? For projection, we need first dot product and then the magnitude of that vector on which the projection is drawn, projection is taken. Two things. For projection, we need the dot product first, then the magnitude of that vector on which projection is taken. Now here the projection is on a B vector, so we need the magnitude of B vector only. Now A vector dot B vector is, A vector is 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 6k cap, dot product B vector is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and this is 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6 into the plus 6 and is 4. So this is A dot B. Now we need the magnitude of a B vector, and magnitude of a B vector is here is 4 plus 1 is 3. Now to find the two types of projection, first is the scalar projection of A on B. The formula is simple, I have described details. The projection of A on B is A dot B divided by the magnitude of that vector on which projection is taken. Here the projection is on B vector, so you have to divide the magnitude of a B vector. A dot B is here, we find 4 by the magnitude of a B is 3. So this is the projection of A vector on B vector. Projection of A vector on B vector, I am again saying projection of A vector on B vector. प्रोजेक्शन मीन्स स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन. अगर क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया हो, सिंपली पूछा गया कि फाइंड द प्रोजेक्शन, देन यू हैव टू इवैल्यूएट द स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन. नाउ दिस इज द स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए वेक्टर ऑन बी वेक्टर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वेक्टर प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए ऑन बी, and the formula for vector projection is A dot B upon square of magnitude of B into B vector. This is A dot B is 4 by square of magnitude of B. Magnitude of B is 3 and the square of 3 is 9 into B vector. B vector is your, this is B vector 2 2 minus 1, that means 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. This is the vector projection and this is the scalar projection. In this way you can find scalar projection and vector projection of one vector on another vector. If the question is to find the projection of B on A, you can also find scalar projection of B on A, vector projection of B on A. And in many questions what happened ki you have given A vector and another vector B vector. Here क्या हुआ कि A vector दिया गया है, A vector is given and the 2 points are given. If 2 points are not given, suppose तुमको 2 points नहीं दिया गया है, simply दिया गया है कि A vector दिया गया है this one and B vector is given. A vector is given, B vector is given. To find projection of one vector on another vector, so you can find this one by this process. So it's one of the important question for your exam. Another question is magnitude of A and B are given and also the dot product is given. Magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 3 and the dot product of two vectors is 4. The question is to find the magnitude of the difference. So to find the magnitude of difference of two vectors, that means magnitude of A minus B. Now we know square of magnitude of A vector is A dot A. A dot A means square of magnitude of A vector. So if square of magnitude of A is A dot A, then square of A minus B, simply put A vector is equal to A minus B. Then this will be a minus b vector dot a minus b vector. So now take the dot product of these two vectors. We'll find a dot a minus a dot b minus b dot a, and minus minus plus is b dot b. This is a dot a is square of magnitude of a minus here is a dot b minus b dot a is a dot b because dot product is commutative. So is a dot b plus this is square of magnitude of b. B dot b is square of magnitude, and here is square of a magnitude means now we have given magnitude of a is 2 and this is 2 square is 4 minus a dot b is 4 minus 4 plus here is square of b magnitude and the magnitude of b is 3 and this is 9. So we get 9 minus 4 is 5. Now this is the value of square of magnitude. If a minus b magnitude का square 5 है, then the value of a minus b magnitude of a minus b is root 5. In this way you can solve this question. Another question is a vector is an unity vector. X vector minus a vector dot x plus a is equal to 8. Then to find the magnitude of x vector. Simple question is a is an unity vector, that means magnitude of a vector is 1. And also given x minus a dot x plus a is 8. And I have already proved a minus b dot a plus b is equal to square of a magnitude of a minus square of a magnitude of a b. That means x vector minus a vector dot x vector plus a vector is square of a magnitude of a x minus square of a magnitude of a and is given 8, which implies square of a magnitude of a minus magnitude of a is 1 and this is 1 square is 1 is 8, and you have square of a magnitude of x is equal to 9 and is the magnitude of x is equal to square root of 9 is 3. So it's solved. Now is the triangle law to show triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. For any two vectors a vector and b vector, so that magnitude of a plus b is less than equal to magnitude of a plus magnitude of b. How can you show this? Now case 1, if a vector is equal to 0 vector or b vector is equal to 0. If any one vector is 0 vector, suppose b vector is 0, then magnitude of a is equal to magnitude of a, equality holds. If either of one, अगर कोई भी एक वेक्टर वेक्टर हो गया, then the equality is trivially proved. So there is nothing to prove, and we have to prove for two non-zero vectors. Case 2, if a vector is not 0 vector, b vector is not 0 vector. These two are not null vectors. Then in that case, we know a plus b, square of a magnitude of a plus b is a plus b dot a plus b. If you multiply this, and this is a dot a means okay, a dot a plus is a dot b plus b dot a, and b dot a is a dot b because dot product is commutative, and is plus b dot b is square of magnitude of b. This is a dot a means square of magnitude plus 2 into this is a dot b plus a dot b is 2 into a dot b plus this is magnitude of square of magnitude. Now we have x is less than or equal to magnitude of x. If x is 2, magnitude of 2 is 2 modulus. So 2 is equal to modulus of 2. If x is minus 2, look at here how a number is less than or equal to its modulus. If x is equal to 2, then 2 is equal to 2 modulus. If x is equal to minus 2, then minus 2 less than -2 modulus. -2 modulus is 2. So in general, a number less than or equal to its modulus. So suppose here is square of magnitude of a plus we take here the modulus of a dot b plus square of modulus of b. Now here is a dot b, here is the modulus of a dot b. So this is less than equal to a dot b, magnitude of a dot b. So this is less than equal to, so equal to is replaced by less than equal to. Now this is equal to square of magnitude of a plus 2. The magnitude of a dot b means magnitude of a into magnitude of b plus this is square of magnitude of b. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square, and which is square of magnitude of a plus magnitude of b. Now here is square, here is square. Now we get cancelling the square on both sides. A plus b, magnitude of a plus b less than equal to, here is less than equal to magnitude of a plus magnitude of b. Here is square, and is proved. Okay. One thing is, if a, b, c are collinear, suppose these three vectors lie on one line. In this case, what happens? AB is a vector, BC is b vector, and AC is a vector plus b vector. Now look at here, magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC is equal to magnitude of AC. So the 3 points A, B, C will be collinear, एक लाइन में रहेंगे if magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC is equal to magnitude of AC. But in case of triangle, AB plus BC less than AC. If AB plus BC is equal to AC, then the 3 points are collinear. In this way, you can show that the 3 points are collinear. Now, one analytical proof to prove cosine formula. In any triangle ABC, to prove cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, or A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Here, small a b c represents the length of sides, capital A B C represent the internal angles of triangle. Internal angles. How can you show? Suppose in triangle ABC, you know the opposite side of angle A is small a vector. Suppose this is a vector, I have taken AB as C vector, BC as A vector, and CA as B vector. All are in same direction. All are in anti-clockwise direction. Now, also we have proved if the vectors are represented by the sides of a closed polygon taken in order, then the resultant is zero vector. Here, the three vectors AB, BC, CA, the three vectors are represented by the closed polygon triangle. All are in same order. So the sum of AB, so the sum of these three vectors, the three vectors का sum AB, BC, CA is 0. That means AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector is 0 vector. AB is C vector, BC is A vector, CA is B vector. C plus A plus B is equal to 0. Now we can write here is plus A, here will be minus A. That means we can write minus A vector is equal to B vector plus C vector. Now squaring both sides. If squaring both sides means minus A dot minus A is equal to B plus C dot B plus C. Square means x square means x into A. Here is it. We know that A square means A dot A, and is minus minus plus A dot A is A square is equal to, if we multiply this, we have already proved A plus B dot A plus B is, by that formula we can show this square of B magnitude plus 2 into B dot C plus C dot C is the magnitude of C square, and A magnitude of A and magnitude of this vector A is A square, B square and C square plus 2 B dot C, the dot product, magnitude of B into magnitude of C into cosine of A dot B is magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cosine of angle between them. Here the B dot C means magnitude of B into magnitude of C into cosine of angle between B vector and C vector. Now look at here. This is B vector, this is C vector. This is not angle between B and C. ये इंटरनल एंगल B एंड C वेक्टर के बीच में एंगल नहीं है. Which one is the angle? In case of dot product, the two vectors must be, look at here, this is A vector, this is B vector, this is theta. Theta is the angle between two vectors where the two vectors are co-initial. अगर two vectors co-initial एक ही पॉइंट इनिशिएट होंगे, अगर सेम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होगा, then this is the angle between two vectors and we use cosine of theta for dot product. But here, look at here, this is not the initial point of these two vectors. This is end point of a B vector, this is initial point of C vector. So this is not angle between B and C. So we have to extend this. Now this is also B vector. This is the angle between B vector and C vector because this is B vector and this become, ये जो point है, this is the initial point of a B vector and C vector. So this is the angle. Now this is angle A and this is pi minus A because this is 180. If this is A angle, this is pi minus A. So angle between B and C is pi minus A. So here is pi minus A and is equal to B square plus C square. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta and is minus 2bc cos A. So we find A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2bc cos A. If A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2bc cos A, now you can find the value of cos A. Solving this, you can find cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2bc and is known as cosine formula.